grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello everybody, welcome to Germaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's the Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany.
Yeah.
So guys, for today's video, we have a little story time for you all. about how our camping trip failed. We were planning a whole event of series for you guys of camping footage,
and she was so excited.
I was so excited. It was supposed to be like 4 days or so, and
grilling out of doors, like no.
Oh man, I brought yam and
she bought everything. She bought half of the kitchen.
Anyways, before we get into the details, let's start from the beginning.
Yeah.
However, before we start, what should they do? Guys, please like the video.
Yes, please like the video, share the video, and comment down below.
Alright, so where should we begin?
Yeah, first we started to find a spot. And that wasn't so easy as we thought, because here are so many lakes and things like, so it should be no problem to find a place where you can put your tent, right? Wrong.
So many camping places. So actually I found one.
It was so nice. Oh my god, it was just perfect.
It had like a nice, what do you call it, a beach area in front of a lake. And I saw that people had their tents there at the beach, and I was like, wow, that's just
beautiful.
I'm like, yeah, let's take that one. So we chose that and we started packing. Krista wrote down her list, everything that I need.
Yeah, she's so organized.
And I wasn't even worried about the clothes. I was just worried about the food. What am I gonna bring? So anyways, I kinda had my list, but I didn't start packing until the next day. Next day came and we called to reserve a, what do you call it, a place to put our tent, and they said they don't have the one that the one on the beach. The one on the beach, it wasn't open for some reason. Maybe because of Corona, I don't know.
God knows why, I don't know.
And then they said they had like a tourist place for your tent. I'm like, okay. And then when you look online, it was like somewhere beside the toilet, far away from the beach.
Yeah, we didn't like that at all.
Yeah, so we said, okay, we have to continue searching.
And we searched and searched and searched, which took hours.
And guys, by the way,
here comes now. Don't tell no secret.
Wait, so guys, by the way, I told my mom the day before, like, no matter what, tomorrow we're going camping. So one time we didn't get that space, we're like, oh shit, I have to hurry and find somewhere. We're going somewhere today.
And we actually all look. Even your sister did look.
Yeah.
We all did look. Like crazy.
My mom was like, maybe we're going, like, no, we're going camping one way or another tomorrow.
Yeah, no matter what.
Guys, anyways, so then we found a place, or I saw a place, but it was kind of far. I said I would need a taxi. I'm like, that's expensive. And I'm like, nah, and then I kind of canceled it and I continued looking, but then none of them were as nice. I thought that one with the taxi would have been the second nicest, but we couldn't have it, and then we couldn't find one better. So then I went to my mom and she was like, oh, we can go with the taxi, no problem.
Yeah, no problem.
So
I mean, imagine you go camping with a taxi, right? I mean, who does that? We do.
Yeah, that's just one funny factor. So then, what happened after that?
Yeah, we booked.
Oh yeah, so we called the guys and they said, yeah, they have one for space and we should come.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'm like, okay, cool. So what did we do? We started packing like crazy.
Yes, we got ourselves so ready. Like, you packed up all the food, I packed up my 2 pieces of clothes.
And then after I packed up my clothes, and somewhere in between there we showered and we got ready and so, and guys, you know, normal people who go camping, they have a car.
Yeah, some people do.
But
like we take the
the train go everywhere. But being that that was so far, it was like an hour out. Was it an hour out?
I think it was an hour about, yeah.
I don't think it was an hour with the train.
It was somewhere in the bushes.
I don't think it was an hour with the train. I think it was like half an hour with the train.
But it was in the bushes.
And then the next half an hour with the taxi. Something like so. Like it was an hour, but with the train just half an hour maybe. So it's sad because being that we don't have a car, we had to pack suitcases to go camping.
Yeah, because you have to put the tent somewhere. So one big suitcase like so, you just put in the stuff for the tent, and that was quite heavy too. And never mind. Yeah.
So guys, we had a whole like 20 kg suitcase.
Yeah, and then we had another suitcase for our clothes and the tons of food.
Yeah, but the small suitcase was with the clothes, like 10 kg maybe, and then like a carry-on. And then the big one I had in the tent and the sleeping mattress.
I mean, we shouldn't look like we are going camping.
The people, anybody probably thought we were going somewhere traveling wise, like, but we're traveling to camping.
Yeah, but that's us.
Yeah, that was funny. We're like,
so then we reached at the place, and then we didn't know there was no bus or anything. Yes, there was a bus, but not to where we wanted to go. So of course we end up call a taxi.
Yeah, we didn't know from before, so we're going to need the taxi.
Yeah, but there was still hopes, right?
I
I still had hopes. Anyway, so we took the taxi. It took a while until he came, and I think he looked twice when we told him where we are going. Like, okay.
I told him over the phone, so he kind of knew already.
Yeah, but it was still.
I think with the suitcases, we just were looking so stupid.
Yeah, you should see the guy when we reached the camping place also how he did look also. I think he said we are the first people who come with suitcase. Usually they come with a bicycle or a car, not with taxi and
Well,
suitcase.
like, how should we come from all the way to Frankfurt with freaking bicycle and...
Yeah, I mean, who cares? You have to put your stuff somewhere, right? So you have a suitcase, so what?
Anyways, we set history of the people in place, and then we did some gravel road, did up on the camping place.
Yeah,
and
we
then,
just all pull our suitcase like.
and the guy did it like, sorry, can I accommodate to no suitcase? Cause the rack.
He was tush.
Oh God, we did definitely make a statement.
Yeah, and then he showed us our place. We had a choice from left or right, little bitish like. And it was actually really nice. The lake was almost right in front of us. We gotta show you some footage from that later on.
We're gonna just blend in the footage through, man.
But yeah, that's all. Yeah. So then your job came. I did help a lot anyway, but the tent was pretty fast. I was really surprised. I saw the tent from like when I was last time camping. I was 16 years old. It's just a few days ago. And those big old tents from way back then also, they took forever to get them ready, like also, but you did that. Wow.
Also, it was
That
funny.
was nice.
Guys, we were so in our element, I feel like. So
Yeah,
now,
all she could talk about was also grilling, right? Food.
but
And
guys,
they had a restaurant. Wow, and they even had open. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
so-
ended up eating what kind of pizza?
wait, you ate, what do you call that
The-
one? The flat
yeah.
one.
Yeah, but the
Flammkuchen.
It's okay.
And I ate some barbecue chicken pizza.
Yeah,
And
that was our dinner.
so that we had right as we came before we even start building up the tent. And then we went and we started building the tent. And it was interesting because I've never built a tent like that before.
Oh yeah, and I have to mention it was really a sunny day. It was warm. We had like 21 degrees about, yeah. So we
far,
thought
so
everything is good. Yeah.
And the next days were also supposed to be nice and warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we forgot that the nights can get chilly.
Yeah, boy.
So mommy, you help me? Anyways, guys, it was quite interesting. We didn't already know some mommy needed to go help me build up the tent.
But I did help. I did help, guys. I did help.
So in the beginning, I was there and you took the
Remember, you
chair and
can
sit
say I
down.
don't have to do nothing.
True, I was trying to impress her so that she could go camping with me again.
But
So-
I did help.
But then she come and she take seat and I watch me build the tent, but eventually you did help.
Yeah, because I feel so stupid.
So anyways, after we built up the tent, what happened?
Yeah, then we take a walk around. We explored.
While building the tent, we were drinking our little alcohol. Everything was
Some
good.
cream stuff.
Some coconut, something.
Yeah. Getting in the mood. And you were dreaming about making fire and things without coal.
Oh yeah, guys, that's the thing. So when we reach at the place after we come out of the train, I was like, Mommy, let's go to the river, the supermarket to get the coal to make a fire. This lady was like, no. Like, it's in such a big rush to
We
get to
only had
the
2
place.
suitcases and a lot of other stuff also. So okay.
No, so I'm like, no, I like to be prepared and go there. It's like the whole time with the chain because we have so much things. But it's like me, I said, no, I could go with the coal. What is the sense we go without coal and freaking camping place? Mommy probably did think we would have bite the day.
Yeah, I thought it's a camping place, right? You must can buy coal there. Oh, never mind. Or somebody.
Or maybe we didn't think a supermarket would have the close.
Yeah, we couldn't know that we in the bushes.
Yeah, it turned out
The
that
next
we were.
village was like maybe, I don't know,
The next-
5-6 kilometers far away and it was like 3 houses.
The closest supermarket was 30 minutes away.
So long?
Walking. Yeah,
Yeah, true.
I remember that.
Imagine.
But that's the problem, guys, because the first place we did one go never work out, and the second place we just do so spontaneous. We never really get to look up no way do we homework. Anyway, so we got a place without coal, and then I was already mad because we couldn't cook the first night. Well, not mad, but me I said, well, tomorrow we get the coal.
Right.
So anyways, that's to the coal story. Then, like I said, we did an explore, we called Sarah. Look, we finally done now. We're gonna take a little stroll, so I'm gonna show you how it look now. We have a little pan suitcase, so 2 cups, we have our wipes. Next suitcase, so 2 slices of pizza left back, guys. And look, but me think we are going to close up here, so. And also, in I don't get too cold and the mosquito them not come in if mosquito there easy. You know, and turn off a little light them just in case no know how much a battery I can take. You know? And guys, we're going out for a little stroll. Hold this, please. I think we're gonna carry a little headlight, huh?
Ja, für alle Fälle.
So guys, we did that
So we
say.
can find the bathroom.
We did that say we see people down there make fire. We say we're gonna sit on side of them and just say, oh, hopefully we're not bad up.
Ja,
Oh no.
es ist nice and warm.
We're hungry, we don't have no cool. So that, so for we,
You said Pizza?
we survive from one pizza.
Ja, also für heute schon.
Mommy have money. Maybe the place still open. 8 o'clock at night. I doubt it. Man, we're gonna be better prepared, guys. We don't know. I'm a medicine, so you're not coming without food.
Always me get the blame. No?
Oh God.
You should see how we trouble people.
I want if I bag with the attitude, but still, like.
I don't know how you possibly would I carry one big bag of coal now.
I mean, we're gonna carry a big bag.
For your bag.
They have sizes to travel with. So, mommy, we lock up the house.
Yeah, house lock up.
You can be so build this, I'm so proud of me.
Oh, Dad.
So, guys, me change over in a warm jacket. Woo!
Yeah, cool breeze are come now.
Chilly, man, chilly. So, guys, look at mommy. I hide. Oh, guys. So, the people them think we're crazy, you know. Your phone a ring. So, you famous. Guys, look at this sunset. Wow, nice sunset. Really red. Camera not even give it justice. Say hi.
Say hi, Pupsi.
Say hi to the people then. She hide her face.
Look, we have a sunset, Pupsi. You see it? Warte mal, wie sieht man das?
Show say our tent where we are live behind. Mommy, look, we built a tent. You can't believe so.
Oh, das ist unser Tent. Ach, so muss man andersrum machen. Wie geht denn das? Da. You want?
Say I want to say the lake here, so.
But it looked like nobody at 13 degrees water, happy man say.
Yo, that's today when it's still warm, he said that. But it's just so quiet. Wow.
Also da ist nicht wirklich viel Mucho.
Back there, so the whole camper van them there.
Ja, da ist so ein Camperwannen-Ding. So, ja, das hat man gern, aber hier bei ja gut. Okay, komm. Ja, kann man auch brauchen, ne?
Guys, look at the sunset back there too. Can hardly
Das
see.
Sunset, guck mal. You catch the sunset?
Look a bit, you can't show so good print.
You miss me?
It's nice.
Guys.
Guys,
We are going to sleep tonight. We have one little, remember the flying sheet when you fly, the little one them?
here, mommy, I tell the
I
story.
could sell one big one also, but they couldn't hold nowhere.
We're gonna freeze, guys. At least my van big jacket.
What?
We're gonna wake up as ice snowman. This is real.
Yeah, you are going to come in the taxi and carry a sheet.
This is real.
I'm not feeling that too loud.
Yeah, the place is quiet.
Hier ist überhaupt der Hassig. Was
Guys,
hast du jetzt gemacht?
look at the view. Wow. It's so quiet and peaceful and so
Ja,
loud.
die Gerede. Oh, gee. My God. Yeah, you do. What you do? Come on, partner.
Guys, over there, so we buy pizza earlier. My man, I show us everything for a video call. Guys, that's where we bought our pizza earlier. But it's closed now, so no midnight snack. I guess we survived the night. Guys, now we're up on the beach part.
Wir hopen dat Uhr bekommen wir noch mit
Got my shoes. My shoes.
Otherwise mit dead.
My shoes.
Akkusa für ein Selbstgespräch.
May I talk to the people then? Can you not talk to them? Mommy has to chat to myself.
In your bed, look.
Must be warm over there.
Oh, wir sind ja am Strand, guck mal. Sand.
Let's look at the kids' playground.
Und hier kannst du spielen.
Mommy, we want to go up on the slide.
Oh, what is?
For the kids them to play. Oh God, this is so nice and peaceful. Because there are so many people on the beach earlier, and everybody just gone in. Can eat, run wood fire and ting, I guess. And you talk to Zara.
Yeah, everything was still good until night came.
And then
When the night came, I died.
so guys, this is where the story gets very interesting. So I think we finally got bathroom like 300 times before.
Which was like 300 kilometers far away. I didn't even drink anything also, but I said, yeah, never mind.
I just have learned some mommy leave we got bathroom every 2 seconds. I'm like, so where we there? So after we finally settled in and ready to go to bed, we said, what did I do?
Yeah, we play some
German game name. My name?
dice, Kniffel.
Kniffel. We gotta play that and things like that going alright.
While we were freezing.
You start freeze, but I'm not thinking it's sinking there, so yet to me fully.
I mean, we didn't have no winter clothes or anything else. I had a jogging pants, which was, well, yeah, at least. and normally I just summer clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually we would need a winter parka or something. Since mantle.
I think guys you already saw like what we were wearing, but I was like wearing jogging pants, one t-shirt, you did wear, what did I wear again?
Yeah, this.
One jogging pants and also, do you have a thick jacket? Or a local jacket? I don't remember.
Yeah. Later on I did put on my long sweatshirt, kind of plaid jacket kind of thing. It has a little hood. And I did sleep with the hood on, yeah.
Yeah, so hood, t-shirt.
Never mind, I didn't sleep much, yeah.
And then me did have on my jacket too, and I saw me did plan to go sleep. And then we did have one long pair of socks. Guys, we were so excited to go camping. I remember
I only had some thin socks, yeah.
I remember even when we
had a big sheet.
Oh God, guys, let's talk about the sheets.
You know the ones for long time ago you used to get them in the airplane. Like I don't know if you still get them, these small little sheets, and I thought that summer must be enough, and I don't want to carry a next suitcase just for a sheet.
So guys, mommy the pan a mission to kill me out. Guys, look on the friggin' sheet where mommy carry. Imagine. Mommy carry this for cover with the towel. Guys, we don't know we're gonna survive the night yet. I'm gonna be cool. This is where you guys gonna help me kill Rosine. This is where everything went through.
Yeah, but you more experienced. You could say, Mommy, we have to carry the sheet, right?
So guys,
you didn't say anything, sheet.
Guys, this is where everything went wrong. I remember when we were packing our little suitcase scene, the small one, it did already full. But like, Mom said, so me now take up one nice fluffy sheet so we are gonna bring. Or me take it up. And I said, it have to go in there, but we have to say no space, no left after the clothes and everything. And Mom said, you know, me already have a sheet in there. And I did then, okay. And then she said, airplane sheet in about, I don't think it did register. I don't think it did register. But I don't know. And then Mommy convinced me, so we don't need no sheet, guys. So
yeah, but you did want to put that.
Put on my fluffy nice sheet now.
Which there was no space for.
I mean, there's no space. I think we did shame say we have too much bag and pan and go camping and we don't have our own transportation. So that's why we did not consider at first feel like bring it in or something else, but then we don't want to have no bag and pan. Like we don't want to have too many bags and everything. So we didn't take the sheet, and that was like the biggest regret because guy we freeze to death. So how did it go? Like you would have jumped asleep.
No, we didn't sleep. Maybe like 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning we sleep for 1 or 2 hours. Before that we just played died.
We tell them how we go down. So we feel like maybe we sleep like for 20 minutes and wake up back cold by
you. Did maybe, I didn't.
No, like remember I was on and off in the first part. Until one night time we catch 3 o'clock and I feel like 6 o'clock come already.
Oh, I wish. I was so cold, I didn't even feel my feet anymore, up to my knee. I didn't even know if there was a sheet or no sheet. I had no more feelings. I'm not lying. Cho. Me hand them so numb like and cold. Me there with my hoodie like also, and I was like, oh my God. It was just awful.
So
it was a nightmare. It was a total nightmare,
Let me
people.
tell you.
I'm healed from camping.
It just went so wrong. But me just remember how 3 o'clock did feel like 6 o'clock because that's so long we did it in the cold. And I think we forget to say, but we did have one sheet to put on top of the mattress thing when we did bring, because that one they could have easily fold up like fitted sheet. So that one
and you
we
use and cover.
carried.
And you give me later your socks.
Yeah, so in the end I took that sheet. She took her airplane sheet. This was I never planned, you know. Because that sheet was supposed to be on the bottom. My mom said we can share the airplane sheet.
Yeah.
And that time we can't even come over with one our body.
Oh my God.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, that
Yeah. So then
anyway, we sort of after we put on more clothes later on,
yeah,
right?
That,
we put
that
on some
happened,
more clothes.
That happened at 3 o'clock. We put on more clothes. We put on my other pants underneath because the whole time I had the beat. If me
Yeah,
take
we
off
just
the
put
pants,
on what we couldn't find.
we put
Which
on,
wasn't a lot.
oh guys, so we put on the leggings and my jogging pants and we put on the next pullover underneath my jacket but over my t-shirt, so I'm in like 5 layers of clothes. Oh gosh. Me give mommy my socks.
Yeah.
Cause mommy
Socks,
have on
yeah.
one little stush stocking socks.
They
And
saved my life eventually. I don't know, I didn't feel anything.
then I slept in my white socks that I wore to the place. And then, guys, there was this much missing from the pants to my ankle. So
Oh
much
yeah,
space.
I remember. And she put tissue there. Imagine, toilet paper. That's so we desperate.
Guys, it was so cold. And even with all of that, from 3 to 6, guys, the temperature dropped. I believe it was 8 to 5 or so, like it dropped. And guys, the cold, you feel it to your bones.
Yeah, I mean it was absolutely awful. I will never ever forget that night in my entire life.
No,
Never.
we never freeze like that ever.
But eventually we did make it to morning.
When 6
Like
o'clock
birds
comes,
singing.
when 6 o'clock comes, we say, okay, we're gonna run away from this place.
Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we thought about that for a second.
We never started to run by the gate, go look if we couldn't run away. Then I remember we go peep and then we check the gate and say, how can we get out of here? And already before 6 we had the debate, like, no, we cannot do another night, we cannot. So then we reach at the gate and we say, oh yeah, we'll come out. And then we realize that the guy give me a chip for the bathroom and for everywhere for like, to come out.
To open the doors, like you get that chip. Yeah, so we decided we
Go
wait
stay
a little
till
bit.
8 because we never know how else to get rid of the chip. Otherwise, the food will leave early.
Right. So we
We're still
strolled
8.
around a little bit and looked at all those pretty, what do you call them, camping cars and so. Some people really have some nice stuff there. Really look nice, right? And then we
No, mommy, we didn't go back to sleep. We sleep after. We drop
maybe
asleep.
half a minute.
Out of exhaustion, we drop asleep at 6-ish. And we sleep till like, I think,
And that-
11. Yeah, remember that like yesterday. At that time, they me sleep and we wake up with one piece of heat. Cause now the sun come out actually.
Yeah, and it all of a sudden hot.
Yeah. And me come out and me take
Something.
off my jacket and everything and
Yeah.
me couldn't believe it. And then mommy sleep look longer than me, but me think it take longer to drop asleep.
Yeah.
So then, after the sun come out, now mommy wake up and we go bathroom and everything, and me I tell mommy, say, mommy, you know, so we don't know I left this morning, but we would like to give it a second chance. Because we don't know the sun did come out, and I said,
Yeah, but
maybe
the
this can
second
work.
chance would mean we would have to either walk and then carry back whatever we carry from, if we even find a supermarket. Huh?
Yeah, remember we know the supermarket,
Yeah,
we're
but
30
you know, the
minutes
little
away.
villages, you never know, so maybe it's closed or so, no? And you have to carry it back too, right? So, yeah, or take a taxi too.
Yeah, guys,
And the taxi wasn't cheap, let me tell you that.
The taxi, how much we pay? 40 euro, me think.
Something like that.
And we said, is it worth it for go in the town, get sheet, come back to like 80 euro-ish, and then
For some coal.
plus buy the sheet, that's maybe
If we even
100.
find a sheet, I mean, that was really a big question mark, come on.
How much would I find it?
Where?
Come on, would I come back without it? Anyways, and then, so we consider all that money, and then if we go back, go get the coal and all these things, and we say,
And we wouldn't survive another night like that.
so when I try to say, mommy, come on, make we do it. Make we at least walk by the place, the supermarket where they close, 30 minutes and walk back up. We go see it as an adventure, a little walking.
I had enough adventure.
Mommy starts and she feel weak and she dizzy and she can't do no. Oh, and then we say, alright.
Hello, I had a terrible night. I forgot.
Yeah, me know. And then we just say, you know, we don't want to freeze like that again. So we kind of give in and we say, alright. Like we just come back.
You want to flee too?
We didn't want to flee in the
Don't
morning.
just blame me here alone.
Listen, I wanted
Come
to
on.
flee in the morning, but then after the sun come out and everything kind of
Yeah.
forgotten. I didn't want to give it a second chance because I was so excited about the whole camping thing and the footage.
I know, and I really did feel sorry for her. I really tried.
And
Even in
the
the night, I
brain.
tried not to say anything in the beginning, like, and I was like, Abby, you can't do this like us. So, but just later on, I just couldn't manage it no more. And I was like, oh, please.
Guys, I carried Aki, I carried Kalalu in the tin. I was thinking how much we go buy ribs and I had all these pictures in my head what we were gonna do and I was like so heartbroken, but we still end up going because after that we did cool.
Yeah. So, we packed up the tent again.
Start pack up the tent.
Our things, which was done in a minute.
It got quite fast.
Then we tried to find the guy, but we couldn't find anybody, so I just left that chip somewhere in between the windows. But we called him later, and I guess everything was alright.
But the funny part was when we called the taxi before we left.
Yeah.
And because of such a small town, it was the same taxi driver.
You again.
The taxi driver, oh, it's you guys again. I think he knew that we were gonna stay longer. Did he know that? I don't know.
guess
Or
nobody
maybe.
goes camping for one night.
Yeah. So he was kind of shocked, like, oh, it's you guys again. You scared you yesterday. I'm like, great. It was so embarrassing, guys, for me to leave because I felt like a failure. Like we go camp.
I did feel embarrassed. So it's not like that.
Guys, I was so embarrassed. Like big country girl. Go camping and survive.
Yeah, but in Jamaica also it's never that cold, right?
Yeah, that's true. But me did.
Usually you can get cold, but different cold from down here.
I did that things like, how do those people, what am I think about we? You know? I was wondering, what are they thinking of us? Can we come with suitcase like an idiot? Then we come with taxi like an idiot. Then we left the next morning like an idiot. Like, we don't share.
We are special.
You know, when dog walk with them tail behind them, between them foot as I feel. And then we come home and Sarah give me the tax. I won't not do you.
Yeah. I said she would maybe carry one sheet or so. Eventually, you think she would?
No.
But probably she would. But I guess I was so frustrated. I thought, not a night like that. I mean, you can't even put that in words.
Yeah, it was.
It was really rough and it was really awful. Can't remember last time I was so cold in my life.
A night from hell.
I mean, really freezing.
No, me never freeze like that.
On my
before.
nose.
Oh,
the big
God.
one.
We covered myself from head to toe. It was crazy.
Yeah, so that was our story.
That's how we survived.
Yeah, and we're still alive.
We survived hell and came back.
By train.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be home.
Oh God, guys, the night where we slept
Oh
here,
my God.
it was so warm, and when we see each other
It's so
the next
cushy.
day, we said, how did you sleep? The two of us said it at the same time, remember?
Oh man.
Same time, we said, how did you sleep? It was so warm and
Oh,
cozy.
God.
Yeah.
But we're so happy. Yeah, so that was mainly this story. So you're gonna see some footage then about the nice part. We couldn't film, guys. We thought about filming with our freezing and things like also, but we were so cold also we couldn't even manage to film. Even so that show would be some footage.
That's the sad part. I wish we filmed the freezing night, but honestly we were not thinking about film. We were in survival mode.
Yeah. So there's no footage of that except
gosh.
2 pictures. So you can put the 2 disaster pictures in there.
True. We have 2 pictures of how we did a freeze.
Oh man. That was it for today. Hope you enjoyed this story from our suffering.
Yeah guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below.
Yeah. And thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And your patience because you didn't hear from us for a long time.
Yeah.
And yeah, sorry for that.
So next video will be about how we treated her for Mother's Day. So stay tuned for that. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.